Hi, my name is Luke, and this is what to do when Internet Explorer keeps closing and reopening. If you're having problems with your Internet Explorer and it keeps closing and reopening or opening at undesired points in time or when you didn't tell it to, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that it's fully closed. You can do this by hitting Control-Alt-Delete and then clicking Start Task Manager. From this prompt, you'll see tabs open at the top, like Applications and Processes. Go over to Processes. Highlight and hit End Task for any processes you see that are labeled iExplorer.exe. Highlight it and then click End Process. Make sure that you do not delete any processes that just say Explorer.exe. They have to say iExplorer.exe. Once you've done this, Internet Explorer should be closed. Go over to the Applications tab to ensure this. Now go back to the Processes tab and make sure that there's no iExplorer.exe processes open. Now try restarting your Internet Explorer browser. Does the problem still persist? If so, what you may want to do is run a virus scan using Microsoft Security Essentials. It's free to download from windows.microsoft.com. And that's it.